Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is FX, and in this video we're going to be going over our weekly trade outlook, all the trades that we're going to be expecting to play out this week. Um, Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Let me apologize in advance if you hear a little baby squeak in the background. My little nephew is around, and for some reason he has refused to sleep. So, um, just in case you hear little baby noises in the background, I apologize in advance. So, having said that, let's get straight into the video. So, as always, let me go over some of the trades I took last week. Okay, sign back in. Me, yeah. Um, this is the month of. This is my FX book, and I took. Let me go to my history. Yeah. Well, it's no news. The month of May was an absolute terror for me. I was in a terrible losing streak all throughout the month of May, and it was, you know, it tested my, it really tested me, to be honest. There are so many excuses I could give, so many, things I could attribute that to, but running away from taking responsibility of your own action just puts you in a position where you don't grow. So I take full responsibility, and I'm really going to break down most of the lessons I've learned in going through this losing streak in another video. But luckily I've not succeeded in blowing the accounts. I've not succeeded in losing the funded accounts. So I don't know. We'll see if we can get something out of the account at the end of the day. But this last week I took a trade on Euro NZD, USD JPY, and GBP CHF. I think I also took these trades on AED card. Last week was just a mess. It was just a mess. I can't really tell. But let me go into my charts and show you guys exactly what happened. I'll start off with this AUD card. I just don't know what was going on last week. AUD card, it met all the criteria. It was bullish on all time frames. The weekly time frame was bullish. It was bullish. The daily time frame was bullish. Higher highs and higher low, higher high. Came back to retest. And 4 hour time frame, I got my entry confirmation. Double bottom entry. Now, if you look closely here, you see I still have, and this happened to me a lot last week, and that's why I said I'm just going to suck it up and take all the losses on the chin. I don't know what was happening last week, but anytime I held a trade through the Asian session, I just ended up getting stopped out. Even when on my account, I still had like room. Like this week, in fact, even before this week completed here, I think this was a two somewhere here in this 10 o'clock candle. I just opened my, because I hadn't slept, or I slept and I woke up and I just saw that my trade had been stopped out. So I guess the spread obviously increased during the Asian session, and wiped me out. But it was just painful to see that when the candle even closed, it closed all the way here, and over here it had already stopped me out. But like I said, it is what it is. I followed all the rules, all my rules, and it was a nice looking uptrend. So there's nothing different I could have done. just one of those trades that was not going to work anyway. Um, if that had not happened, I would still be in this trade, obviously, but it's still looking like it's going to stop out. I don't know what's going on with the card. It has been very rangy. The next one was GBP Oh, I've taken out the drawing. This is where I go into the trade position on lower time frames. The market had broken above this resistance on the 4-hour time frame and came back to retest. It was bullish on the weekly, daily, 4-hour. On the 1 hour, when it came back into this area, it gave me this double bottom. I entered here, stop loss underneath this week, I think 22 pips. On targets 1 to 3, as usual. The market ranged and ultimately stopped me out. So no, nothing special. I'm still bullish on GBP CHF, and it has gotten over to an area of value. So we're still going to talk about this trade this week. So Euro NZD, if you look at this history, you also find a loss on Euro NZD. And open trades, I'm still in this Euro NZD trade over here. If you go over to my open trades, okay, and that's because I'm still in the trade because I opened another position. I got into Euro NZD almost at the same level, and this was a 2 p.m. candle. So, and this one I really watched this one stop me out live, and it was so painful and so exhausting because I had followed all my trading plan, and the market didn't even get to my stop loss. So this was what happened. The market has been bullish on the weekly, has been bearish on the weekly, daily, and 4-hour. It has broken below this support and came back to retest it. Came here, made one top, pulled down, second top, and gave me a close below candle. As this blue candle was pushing up a bit, I entered my entry here, had my stop loss above, and my take profit all the way down there. Now, in this I think somewhere here by 10 or past 10, because I knew I was doing something outside my house. I was just chilling, and I brought out my phone and I looked at it, and I saw the spread. The spread was at like 20. It had increased to like 20, and my stop loss was just like 30, 39 or 40 pips, and the market was somewhere all the way up here and just stopped me out. So like it was really painful to watch because when I woke up the next morning, the market had pulled down, meaning it never really got to this level. So it was just sad to see. So as the market pulled back into this level here, I got in again, put my stop loss above, and take profit down. And this trade looks like it's going to work out, or at least I'm really not going to be losing money on this trade, because once you get to this green line, I'll at least move my stop loss to break even, so I will not be able to lose money on this trade. So yeah, last week was a difficult one, but focused on just sticking to the plan and seeing what happens, and hopefully things get better this new month. So see how it goes. AUD card was another trade I wanted to take, but since I was already in, AUD card was the trade I took. I mean, Euro card was another trade I wanted to take, but since I was already in AUD card and they were basically doing the same thing, I'm so happy I didn't take it because it met all my criteria. Uptrend on all time frames. This was a daily level, broke above, retested, double bottom, engulfing. Could have had an entry here, stop loss on that target above. But since I was already in AUD card, I just marked it out and I never took it. And the market literally played in this level for almost a week, if not more. Then came down to give me a stop out. So I don't know what was going on with the card or why it was ranging like this, but it's not in my place to know. I just trade what I see. So I'm thankful I didn't take this one. Euro AD was one I wanted to take with Euro NZD, but after that stop out on Euro NZD due to spread, this was the trade I was supposed to take the next day and to add to the Euro NZD trade if it had not stopped out. But after that stop out, I just opted to enter again when I left this one. This one pulled nicely into the area. It has been in a downtrend. I took a loss here, which I explained in one of my videos. I came back into this level, nice double top, nice engulfing, go back into the level which I liked. Stop loss above, target below, but I never got to take this one. So yeah, market has the month of May was very rangy, which is typically not the best type of uh, market structures to be trading in. But hopefully, we get better market structure in these coming months. GBP CHF, like I said, I'm prepared to get involved with GBP CHF again. Still bullish on the daily, on the weekly time frame. Still bullish now on the daily time frame. It has come into a strong area of value. Previous resistance which it broke above, and it has come back into this level. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to be looking for my chart pattern over here. It has given me something like one bottom and a second bottom. So by Monday, if I have an engulfing over here, I'm going to be looking for longs, stop loss under, target all the way above. So I'm bullish on GBP CHF. Euro JPY. Euro JPY. I was bullish on Euro JPY last week. This blue candle was just too much. It was too big. I was really eyeballing this. I really wanted to get in. I wanted just a small engulfing over here, and I would have been in this trade by now. But the candle went and closed all the way at the top here, so I couldn't get involved with Euro JPY. So unfortunately, it has left my area of value, so I'll have to take it out of my watch list for now. AUD this was another trade that I missed. The market came here and it didn't really give me the chart pattern I was looking for last week. And this week, to me, this was a double bottom, but I just didn't want to risk it because I've been taking so much losses. So I didn't want to have like so many trades open at the same time. So I just marked this trade out and I never got in. And yeah, but it has obviously left my area of value as well, so I have to take this off. GBP USD. Nah, not rocking with the USD pairs at this moment. USD JPY has already left. I should have taken. I missed this trade last week. It was an uptrend, came back to an area of value engulfing. I was so focused on AED card and Euro NZD. I forgot about this one. And by the time I opened my chart, if you look at this time, this is 2 p.m. This was around the same time I was looking to get into the Euro NZD trade. And by the time I opened up USD JPY, it had already flown all the way to this point here. So I missed it. It pulled back here again, but I wasn't really keen on getting in at this point here because it was really messy. So I didn't get involved with USD JPY. ADCHF. I'm bullish on ADCHF. I have been bullish on this pair for quite a while now. ADCHF has been bullish on all time frames. It has broken above this resistance and has pulled back into this level. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm going to be waiting for my chart pattern. I can see one bottom push up. I'm waiting to see if I can get another bottom and engulfing here to go long, take this market to the upside. So I'm bullish on ADCHF. NZD-JPY didn't give me the entries I was looking for at this level, so I'm just going to mark it off. GBP-AUD was I've been eyeballing GBP-AUD since last week. But if you remember what I've been saying about GBP-AUD, I said until the market will break and retest this level, I'm really not going to be interested in this pair. But when the market consolidated and came here and gave me this double top, I was really, um, I really wanted to get in, but because of all the losses I've been taking, I'm more focused on following my plan. Okay, so I left this trade. I didn't take this. I was eyeballing this, and Euro AD. Euro AD was much cleaner. Right now, the market has broken and is currently retesting this um, underside of the double bottom, the neckline. So I'll be looking on the 1 hour. If the market could give me some sort of double top, looking to get in here, stop loss above and target below. So I'm bearish on GBP AED. Euro CHF, I'm bullish on Euro CHF. Market is back here retesting um, this resistance stone support. The market has been bullish for a long time, has been bullish on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame. So it has come back into this level. So I'm going to be watching this market this week to see if we can have our entries to go long on this pair to continue riding the uptrend. NZD USD, no, I'm not interested in. Gold, I was really trying to see if gold could give us the rejections from this level to go long here. But right now, what I can see is I think gold is about to drop back to this level because it has failed to hold this um, level of support which pushed the markets up previously. And if you look here on the weekly time frame, you can see a big double top forming here, and this level at 2,277 per ounce is going to be a really pivotal level for gold, because if this level breaks, it means and the market gets a weekly close below, it should be a big double top on a weekly time frame, which could give birth to a very big retracement, coming back into levels like this. So for this week, for this coming week, if gold closes below this level, I'll be looking for short-term shorts into this level 2,277. But if it breaks back above, obviously the trend is still up, looking to continue the trend to the upside. So gold is like at a 50-50 level. GBP card, this should be marked blue. Yeah, GBP card has broken out and has retested this level. I've had this drawing here for the longest of times. I think for weeks to come, this drawing has been here. So I think it has finally broken out and it's currently looking like it wants to retest this level. I'm going to be waiting for a much, a better pullback into this level than my chart pattern before I look for longs. But I'm definitely bullish on GBP card. It's bullish on all time frame, daily, weekly, 4 hour. So I'm definitely going to be looking for longs on GBP card. Euro NZD, I'm bearish on Euro NZD, and you can obviously see why. The market has been bullish for a long time, higher highs and higher lows, but you can see here the market broke below the previous higher low, you know, negating the uptrend. And if you also look closely, you can see it forms some sort of left shoulder, head, and right shoulder, and it has broken below the neckline. So I'm anticipating a pullback into this level, then short to the downside. Excuse me. So that's my plan on AUD NZD. I'm more on the seller side, but waiting for the market to pull back into this level. I have my alert set. I'm bearish on this. GBP JPY, I'm bullish on GBP JPY, but as of right now, I'm waiting for the market to pull back into this level before looking for longs to the upside. I'm definitely bullish on GBP JPY. I think that's all the pairs I marked out for this week. Yeah, that's all the pairs I marked out. The other pairs, AUD USD. I think I spoke about AUD USD. I just wasn't willing to risk that this level was going to hold the way I expected it to hold. So yeah, these are all the pairs I um I'm going to be looking at for this week. Let me go into obviously the indices and see what's been going on there. Obviously, I don't trade the indices. I just break it down because people have requested that. So the market came back to retest this level, but I don't like this rapid rejection. I like the market to really come to a level and sit on the level, show me that it really wants to leave, like it wants to take off from that level. I don't like this kind of V type recovery. Oh, on the 4 hour is much better. On the Nasdaq, I'm going to be waiting for this. Looks like a very strong bottom, so I'm going to be waiting for to see if the market to, to come back and give another bottom into this level and push. So yeah, bullish on the NAS 100, really clean. SPX, SPX, the NAS 100 is definitely cleaner than the SPX. Although you could argue the market is still sitting at the support, and the same theory could be applied to this. I would much be looking for an inverse head and shoulder, because here I can see this as a left head, and I'll be waiting for a right shoulder into this level to look for longs. But I'm definitely bullish on these indices pairs. Ooh, US 30. I've been speaking on US 30, and I said of all of the indices, this was the pair I liked the least because it was just shooting all the way down. So yeah, still the same still the same story right now. I do not like, if I had to, I would not, I will stick to the NAS and the SPX for now. The US 30 is not really clean in my opinion. US oil, US oil has I will be waiting for a break and retest of this level on the US oil, because the market has been ranging in this level for May, from the 1st of May, for a full month the market has been in this tight range. And I do not like to trade ranges, so I'll go see first market to take out this level, retest, and to short it to the downside. So if US oil is something that you look into, that is what I'm going to be waiting for. And Bitcoin has, after getting to the $70,000 per coin level, which I called I think 2 weeks ago and last week, obviously Bitcoin has gone into this kind of sideways market, but it has failed to close below any of the significant lows. So I'm still expecting Bitcoin to get back to the 72,686 level and possibly break and retest and move into new highs. But I feel like this is speaking too far into the future. For now, Bitcoin is still bullish, but it's in a sideways market. I don't think it's at the point where I'll really be looking to trade it, because look at this, the volatility here, so little, so small as compared to the move. Boom! Look at how tiny these moves are. This volatility is here. So I really don't like how Bitcoin is moving at the moment, but structurally it's still in an uptrend, and I'll be expecting it to take out these highs, at least this level here at 74.57, before looking for upside price action. So let me just mark this off. Take out this level. Like so, break, retest. Now there is space to this level and space to this level. So this will be a much cleaner area to wait to be taken out before looking for um, more longs on the Bitcoin price. So yeah, these are all the pairs I'm going to be looking into for the week. And like I said, I'm going to be making a video for my trade performance last month. Last month was really terrible. It was like the worst month I've had since I became profitable, and I learned so much, in that time, being in a drawdown for that long period of time. And I'm going to be breaking those lessons down and trying to see how I could use these experiences to like help someone else who could be going through a similar situation in their trading career. So yeah, I'm going to be working on that and putting it out sometime this week. So um, I'll let you guys know how it goes. So do well to like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends. If there's any topic that you feel like I should cover, which I haven't already covered, um, leave them in the comment section. I'll do well to read them and see how I could squeeze that into my schedule. I also leave my social media handle in the description below. So if you want to ask me a question, if you want to speak more personally, you can hit me up on social media, and I'll do my best to respond to you. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.